The Action Democratic Movement (ADM) is urged Zimbabweans to boycott this year's Independence Day celebrations, citing worsening living conditions in what it describes as a growing national crisis. Sarapina mashukobra pankwena calls opposition movements calls for Independence Day boycott amid the rising discontent. Don't go subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina panapa mnangagwaZim mchinzi. In a statement issued on Wednesday, the movement questioned the significance of commemorating independence in the face of economic hardship and social decline. On the 18th of April, we are once again asked to celebrate independence, but as we reflect on our daily realities, rising poverty, struggling hospitals, unemployment, and a future that feels uncertain, we must ask ourselves, what exactly are we celebrating? The statement read. ADM said the ideals of the independence have not been realized for many citizens. Independence was meant to bring dignity, opportunity, and prosperity to every Zimbabwean. Yet today, many of our people are suffering more than ever before. This is not the promise we fought for. This is not the Zimbabwe we deserve, the group said. While acknowledging the sacrifices made during the liberation struggle, the movement insisted that honoring that history should include confronting present challenges. As ADM, we are not rejecting our history or the sacrifices of our heroes. We honor them. But true honor means standing up when the values they fought for are being undermined, the statement added. The organization called for what it described as a peaceful and unified boycott of the 18 April celebrations. We therefore call for a peaceful and united boycott on the 18th of April celebrations. This is not an act of disrespect, it is an act of conscience, ADM said. The group also outlined its grievances, stating, we say no to the erosion of our constitution, no to policies that deepen poverty, no to silence in the face of injustice. Doma developments ari kuda panguva ino tiriona kuti the statement yazokonkluda ichikola up for unit nekuresolva problems among the citizens vachava chiti together peacefully and firmly. We say enough is enough. Doma developments ari kuda panguva ino chinzi let us boycott independence celebrations. Pinakupe section medu za fungura aim or deep on ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.